Hello beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Atinike. Let's get right into the video. I was sent some hair from Janet collection. They are pre-stretched 60 inches braiding hair. I was sent 4-pack of the hair, so I will tell you all about the hair. Kindly please keep on watching. So now I'm going to be using this frontal net. I'm going to be placing it on my wig cap, then I will use a pin to hold it to secure it down so that it will be very easier for me to sew. So now you can see what I'm doing. Try as much as possible for you to get the perfect laying, or else when you put on the cap it won't be your size. So be patient when doing this part. Make sure you set it very well so that it will be easier for you to work with. You can see what I'm doing. I'm just using a pin to secure it round. Now I want to start sewing. So you can see the sewing method I'm using. I'm sewing from down to the top so that it will hold it and that part is going to be flat. So when we are done sewing, I'm going to be cutting the excess off. We are not going to be needing that. You have to cut the excess cap underneath the net, the lace net is sewed. So now this next step really works for me a lot. I ran out of my brow pencil, so I make use of lip pencil. So you can see what I'm doing, just using my hand to mention. This really work fast, easy for you, and you won't over braid the hair so that it won't be heavy. So the next part, this is the hair we are talking about. Oh my god, this hair is pre-section. Can you see that? The length is 60 inches. They've already sectioned it. They've already picked it out for you. You don't need to stress yourself. And do you know what, guys? This hair is so soft. I didn't use any cream on my palm braiding. On a normal hair that I use in braiding, I'll have to dip my hand into cream because of the dryness. But this hair, oh my god, do you know the furthest part, guys? You won't trim as much as you always do with some other braiding hair. This hair, when you're braiding, it's as in neat to the dial. You know what I mean? I really love this hair so much. This hair is so soft, as in the length is just giving me another vibe. 60 inches, and the section is like 12, not like 12. I think inside each section, I think the section 12, but inside a pack there's 3 pack inside 1 pack. So I section 1 into 2 again for you to see the quantity, as in it will be, if you want to braid your hair, 2 will be enough for you, or you even use 2 when using it. How will I put it? As in, I'm over happy about this hair, sorry guys. So I use only 3 packs to achieve this hair. And let me tell you guys, make sure you leave enough space at the back, because that front is going to cover all the space you are going to give it at the back. Make sure you space your hand as much as you can, or else this hair is going to be heavy and it won't have fitting. It's going to lose shape, so make sure you do that. So now I'm already at the top part. When I get to the top, I braid close to each other because I'm still going to braid on top of that black thread. I'm still going to braid on top of it. Can you see? That is what I'm just braiding to cover the black thread so that it won't show. That is what I'm doing now. That was why I said make sure you leave enough space as much as you can. You can see the top. I'm showing you. You can see that the top, I covered everything. The back is not showing, so I keep braiding. So when we are done braiding, this is the front. I could not find my tape rule, so I used my daughter ruler. So I used 1 inch. Can you see? Just using my brow pencil to mark some dots. I ran out of brow pencil, so I used my lip pencil, which really fucked me up. The mouth was too wide. It's bigger than normal brow pencil, so I keep marking that dot. I keep marking it straight. So now I'll use my ruler again just to make sure everything is right. I use 1 inch of the ruler. That is, it depends on how wide or how small you want it to be, so you don't have to make it so big I don't have to make it small. If you make it too small, the front will have any fitting. It will be over, how will I put it? It won't have shape. So you can see what I'm showing you now. Make sure the one you are going to connect to each other, make sure they are on both straight line. You can see, make sure the line are equal, the one you want to connect to each other. Now I'll start ventilating. I didn't ventilate with strand. I just make sure it's very tiny, little, like 3 to 4 strand or so. Very tiny. So that is what I keep doing to cover the box. I won't be ventilating the inside. Don't worry, it's not going to show. When we are done, we are going to fix all those places peeking through. Don't worry. So if you keep ventilating the inside, the air will be over full, heavy, and it won't have shape. You just have to make sure you just crochet around those boxes to cover the space inside. I'll put the link of this hair in the description box below. You can check them out on Instagram, Janet Collection. They're on Instagram also. heavy, does not tangle. So now let's throw this on. After dipping it into the hot water, I just add some mousse to add some shine spray. No need of me showing that on camera. Then trimming the baby hair off again using my got2b glue spray to hold it down. I had elastic inside of camera. I had it, but I just want the front to lay so nice. As in just add some nice look. Then I start adding my baby hair. Now let's see the final look. Oh my god, I love the final look of this hair so much. I was so happy. I was just looking at the mirror, looking at myself, feeling the vibe. I was like, oh sis, did I just do this? Yes, I did. If I can do it, you also can do it better. So can you see, just showing you the closeness of this beautiful gorgeous wig. Can you see this looks so natural? In my own way, it looks so natural, like my own hair. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll put the link of the hair in description box below. I really appreciate you are still watching, feeling the vibe. I even went outside to kind of add some swag. So see you in my next video. Stay blessed. It's not finished. Make sure you watch the last clip. Stay blessed. Have a lovely day. Mwah.